All right, we are getting the news from Maryland. At least 3 dead and 3 injured in mass shooting at Maryland manufacturing facility, authorities say. And here is a recent video we have. I can play the video for you. And yeah, I don't know what is going on in America. I'm going to talk about some key points in this video probably. So news, you can get the news anywhere you want to. So it was like yesterday, three people are declared dead, okay? And I guess I don't have to say this to anybody, but in last 10 days or so, in last 2 weeks, how many mass shooting has happened within America, in New York, in the school, and this one, latest one in Smithsburg, Maryland. So at least 3 people were killed and 3 others injured, including the suspected shooter and a Maryland State Police trooper in a mass shooting Thursday at a manufacturing facility north of Smithsburg, authorities said. It was this SGT Carley who's whatever. Okay, so the Washington County Sheriff's Office said deputies responded to a shooting incident at about 2:30 p.m. When deputies arrived at Columbia Machine, they found 4 gunshot victims, 3 of whom were dead. The survivor was taken to a hospital, Jose said. The suspect, a male, fled before the sheriff's office arrived. Jose said a state trooper encountered a suspect and they exchanged gunfire. Both were hit and taken to the hospital. Their conditions were not known. And you can read the rest of the news here by pausing the video. Okay, the point I'm trying to make is what has happened to America since last 1 year? Where is your country going? I'm doing this news analysis, okay? I've been taking this, from last 1 month. I knew about Arms Act in America since last 15 years. I know everybody can go and buy weapons in America just like they're buying groceries, okay? They have no armed laws. Anybody can walk into the weapon shop and they can say, okay, this is $200, give me a gun. What is going on in your country? And now you come on the roads and you protest. What is this protest? Your people are killed. And you people are influenced by games, you like games, you kill each other, PUBG, go take guns and shoot everyone. Don't you realize what is happening with the minds of your children, of your kids? I don't know what is the age of this guy who has done shooting today for this Maryland case. I don't know the age of the culprit, but understand, guys, your kids, they're living on mobile phones in front of Xbox, PS5, PS6 all the time, shooting What is going on in America? Please wake up. Since you have this deaf and dumb president, Biden, Hunter, whatever, okay, your country is falling apart. I'm not favoring anybody here. I'm not saying Trump was good or Biden is bad. No, it's not my job to do. Okay, it's your country. You need to go and manage your country, okay? But Trump was a lot better than this Biden, whatever, okay? You have to go and take control at least of your lives, okay? I'm not saying you go and do something, protest, or at least, please, you have to demand some laws against your, Arms Act, weapons. Not everybody can, not everybody should be allowed to just go and buy weapons just like they're buying some, you know what I mean, okay? So I hate to bring these videos to you people. It's not something I enjoy, okay? It's like living people are dead, okay? Whether people in your country, my country, if you shoot a bullet in their head, they will be dead, okay? And again, guys, it's not the first incident in last 2 weeks, in last 20 days. You know better than me. I don't live in America, okay? I had a dream to go to America back in 2017. If you ask me, until 2017, I did not want to live in my country. Okay, until 2017, I was trying so hard to leave my country and settle down somewhere in the West, okay? And right now, I'm proudly telling you my decision not to go anywhere, leaving my own country right now was the best decision I could have taken in my life. Right now, I live in the safest country. At least I am safe. I don't know about you, okay? We have Arms Act here. Nobody can just go and buy some guns here just like that, and nobody can just go and shoot somebody because he is playing a video game and he just got pissed off from their father or mother, and somebody got cheated and they just go and fire up everybody in the public. What is going on in America? You're falling apart. Please just go ahead and take care of your kids, take care of your people, okay? Just I don't know. I don't want to do these news, but this was my analysis, okay? You have to go and push your government to create some laws, okay, against carrying weapons. Okay, I know people, snap you, they choke your throat, they rob you on the back of the street in America. I know all that, but this is not how people should know your country. Okay, just go do something. Okay, do something about it. Pressurize your government. Okay, maybe go and try to do something. Okay, protest that. Okay, you want some armed laws. Okay, and this guy, you see here, this guy, he doesn't know anything. He doesn't know shit. He can't see what is 100 feet away from him. Okay, anyways, no personal comments. If you like my analysis, whatever, okay, you may subscribe to my channel if you want to. Otherwise, it's only the piece of information. I want to take it down. Okay, just go and save your country. If you can't save it, it's we the people. We the people. You people have to save your country. Okay, these people are robots. Okay, this person was made. This person was made the president of your country by China. Twitter ran the agenda. Twitter helped people to take away Donald Trump from the this power. Okay, and then this robotic president came just because China was involved into this. I don't want to get into this. In the end, I would say your president does not run the country. If I go into the deep details, CIA runs your country. CIA runs all the operations. CIA attacks the whole world. CIA gives birth to terrorism. CIA funds terrorism. CIA supplies weapons to terrorists across the globe. Okay, if I go deep, I will just reveal so many secrets. But for now, 3 people dead, 3 injured in mass shooting in Maryland. May God bless them. I don't enjoy all this, but save your country before it's too late. Okay, before your country is taken by jihadis, save it. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and hopefully I don't have to make any more videos related to death injuries. So thank you and take care.